What is adverse possession? Adverse possession is a legal concept that allows a person to claim ownership of land or property if they have occupied it openly and continuously for a specific period of time without the owner's permission. In simple words, adverse possession means someone can become the legal owner of property by using it for many years without interruption. This rule exists in property law and varies depending on the country or state. For adverse possession to apply, certain legal conditions must usually be met. First, the possession must be actual. This means the person must physically use or control the property. Second, the possession must be open and obvious. The use cannot be hidden. It must be visible so the real owner has a chance to notice it. Third, the possession must be continuous. The person must use the property without significant interruption for a required number of years. Fourth, the possession must be hostile. Hostile does not mean aggressive. It simply means the property is used without the owner's permission. Finally, the possession must be exclusive. The person claiming ownership must not share control of the property with the true owner or the public. If all these conditions are satisfied for the legally required time period, the person may request legal ownership through court. The time period required varies by jurisdiction and can range from several years to decades. Adverse possession laws encourage landowners to monitor and protect their property rights. They also help resolve long-term property disputes. However, proving adverse possession can be legally complex and usually requires court approval. In simple terms, adverse possession allows someone to gain ownership of land by using it openly and continuously for many years without permission. Easy way to remember. Adverse possession means use land long enough, and it may legally become yours.